Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to explore the beautiful Val D'orcia and the dreamy Tuscany landscapes, the picturesque town of Pienza, and a cellar tour and wine tasting in Montepulciano. So let's explore these places together. We departed in the morning from Perugia city, which I have vlogged in my previous video, and headed straight to Val D'orcia Valley. It's a 1.5-hour drive, and the moment we saw an entrance with the typical cypress trees, we decided to stop by. Val D'orcia is a valley characterized by a hilly landscape dotted with small medieval villages and Renaissance towns, and it has been declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2004. After 10 kilometers, we arrived at one of the most famous panoramic spots in Tuscany. I will link the exact location in the description, as the entrance is quite tricky to find. Just park on the sideway and follow the indications. The viewpoint overlooks the Agriturismo Baccoleno, which is a private property, and its magnificent access roads. I recommend coming here early in the morning, as it's photographers' favorite spot. From the Agriturismo Baccoleno, you can either proceed to stop by the cypresses of San Quirico and the Untitled Chapter for some photo shoots, or head directly to Pienza, which is what we did. Pienza is a Renaissance town, and the architecture blends into the landscape beautifully. And the town offers some of the most beautiful views over the Orcia Valley you can ask for. This, plus pretty alleys, excellent food, and a strong tourism vocation, makes Pienza one of the best towns to visit in the area. Like other towns in this area, its charm stands in the ability to immerse yourself in a 360 degrees historical town and feel time stand still. However, there are several landmarks in Pienza worth seeking out, like the central main square, the Duomo and Palazzo Piccolomini. After a 20 minutes drive, we arrived at Montepulciano, which is a stunning medieval town on top of a hill between Val D'orcia and Val di Chiana. It is a paradise for wine lovers, and we had the chance to visit a local cellar and had a wine tasting experience for free. The city is full of wineries offering tours and wine tasting experiences, but we discovered Cantina Ercolani thanks to some compatriots working there. Besides the cellar, it is possible to visit the subterranean medieval museum and Etruscan tomb. During the wine tasting experience, we had been offered some of the most typical wines, such as Vino Nobile di Montepulciano, Chianti, and Brunello di Montalcino, alongside some charcuteries produced by the same company. We would like to thank our fellow compatriots for this remarkable experience. In Montepulciano, you find steep medieval streets, fantastic terraces with expansive views over the surrounding countryside, beautiful churches, museums, and one of the most beautiful piazzas in Italy, Piazza Grande. Montepulciano has also been chosen as the city depicting Volterra in the second movie of the Twilight Saga, and I was expecting to find the huge central fountain as seen in the movie, but then I realized it has been set up as a prop and therefore not real. This is everything we've seen in a day exploring Val d'Orcia. I hope you enjoyed it, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my next video. Bye!